The next category here at the Tameside Business Awards tonight is the Manufacturing or Engineering Business of the Year. And I'm joined by Steve and Paul, winners from Manchester Metrology.
Congratulations.
How are you both?
Yeah, really good. Yeah, I've had a really good night, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been brilliant.
Invited half the staff with us as well, so I think they've had a good night.
A good night
as well.
It's great. You appreciate it.
Well, it is because obviously they've obviously
they're part of the journey, aren't they?
They are. Yeah. So
I love the wording here. Manchester Metrology is at the forefront of precision engineering. Their technological leadership and quality standards have established them as a key player in regional manufacturing.
Yep.
What do you do?
So we do inspection services. So basically, anything that's manufactured needs measuring and inspection to make sure it's within specification, to make sure planes, boats, cars, to make sure they fly, make sure they drive, and basically, just inspection services to make sure that things are made correct.
Okay. So how does that fit in with the manufacturing process? Let's say the Hyde Group.
Yes.
How does your service fit in with that?
Yeah. So they will manufacture something to an engineering drawing. And then what we will do, we will get that engineering drawing and we will measure that component to make sure that it's within tolerances for the engineering drawing. So they have their own equipment, but what they'll do, they'll outsource to us also because we have high accuracy equipment. So.
Okay, so just pushing that a little bit further. Are these one-offs?
It can be one-offs, 10-offs, 100-offs. So we have automated CNC machines.
But you wouldn't do the 100-off, would you, I guess?
No, we'd do probably the first article.
Sample?
Yeah,
you do sample it, yeah?
So we'd do sample one in every 10 or something like that.
Okay,
so,
that's interesting.
We would sample it, yeah.
Back at your base?
Yes, so we have a temperature-controlled CMM room, high accuracy, temperature-controlled down to about 1 micron. So I think a hair's about 10 microns, so we can measure a tenth of a hair in the office. And then we have portable metrology as well, which we take on site. So laser trackers and arms, portable arms.
This is real high-end manufacturing.
High-end, yeah.
High-end, high value.
Yeah.
And it can't be wrong.
No, because we've got a lot of risk on our.
And so is the manufacturer as well. So that's why they need you.
Yes, they do.
Where are you based?
We're based in Ashton-under-Lyne. So we started off at a 1,000 square foot in Droylsden, and then we moved to a 5,500 unit in Ashton-under-Lyne. We've been there for about 5 years now.
Yeah.
We built a temperature control room, and we basically work out of that room.
And how many people do you employ?
We started off with 2, and we've now got 28 staff.
That's fantastic. What a journey.
Yeah, we've been going 18 years, and like you said, we've gone from 2 to 28 of us now.
Okay.
Yeah, and we've got all the qualifications with UCAS, and
that's brilliant. So the two guys that are in front of us tonight, what's your role in the business?
I'm the director of the company, so I started it back 18 years ago. Yeah. Stephen started as a driver 10 years ago, dropping off the equipment and picking up the equipment, and then basically started showing me how to do things properly, and the newer, younger generation.
A different way. A different way.
Yeah. And Stephen basically is the general manager now. He runs the day-to-day of everything. That's
great.
What a success story.
Yeah. So very proud of the team, and everyone's excelled in the team, and we've took a lot of people on. We've trained them up. We sponsor 2 local football teams as well. So we're giving a bit back as well, and we've took younger people on, put them through apprenticeships and try to get people, because it seems to be a bit of a dying trade, engineering, and we're trying to get people back into this field. And
I like the sound of that.
Yeah.
And all the success.
Yeah.
Brilliant news. Well, Steve and Paul from Manchester Metrology, thank you very much for joining us tonight. Congratulations on winning the Manufacturing and Engineering Business of the Year.
Lovely. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.